We have 20 plus 5 minus 3 times 2 plus 1. 20 plus 5 equals 25 minus 3 times 2 equals 6 and plus 1. Now 25 minus 6 equals 19, right? And plus 1. So 19 plus 1 equals 20. This is correct, but multiplication must be done before addition and subtraction. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiply first, then addition, then subtraction, left to right. So multiply first. So now let's solve this again. 20 plus 5 minus 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1. And now addition and subtraction left to right. So 20 plus 5 equals 25 minus 6 plus 1. And 25 minus 6 equals 19 and plus 1. And 19 plus 1 equals 20.